Rebound for them, pero buti na lang natapik ni Bong Hawkins.
What a game here as we enter the winning zone. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Hope. Dorente sa tabi. Wala. Rebound ni Hawkins.
Well, the big lineup pays off for Alaska. Sila naman ngayon ang nakakuha ng rebound. Very important.
Pangatlong rebound lamang ni Hawkins yan, but what a big offensive rebound. Only his first offensive rebound for the night. Kurt King is down. He's on the floor. Sumira si Dorente. Yes, what a shot!
Alam mo, si Kirk King, hindi nagmadali, no? Na pag-alis doon sa shaded area, mabuti na lang at hindi nahabol ng 3-second call.
Nakita naman ni Dorentes, kaya naman niya
Tinira niya kagad.
Oo, binitawan yung bola eh. And now Ravenna will call a timeout here as he crossed the timeline. This will be a 30-second timeout, it seems. Or a 20-second timeout. No, it will be a full timeout for Mobiline. 5 po ang kanilang inahabol.
Nabanggit natin si Kenneth Durendes kanina, no? He didn't have a really good night tonight, ano?
Hindi.
Pero pagkadating sa crunch time, yung mga ganun desisyon kamukha nung ginawa niya, taking that shot, talagang dumamaasahan ko si Kenneth Durendes.
Sabi nga natin sa dulo, veterano pa rin ang aasahan mo. As is Carlos Strong, tripping. That may foul. That will be a hip foul against Kurt King. Number 3 lamang yan kay Kurt King, but they are in the penalty, so that will send Strong back to the line. Now, this is not yet a one game. Yang malayo pa to.
Hindi pa. 5 points lang yan with the possibility of cutting it down to 3.
Yes. And the chess match continues from the bench. 2 grandmasters at the helm. Carlos Strong. Strong numbers. And he still continues to shoot well from the line. 35 today for Carlos Strong. His PBA career high is 36. So malapit na siya dyan.
Malapit na at pwedeng magkaroon siya ng bagong career high ngayong gabing ito.
Oh, yes. 36 matches his career high. But that will all go down the drain if they should lose this one. They're down by 3. Abarrientos takes a quick shot off the glass. Wala. Rebound picked up by Kurt King.
Again, another offensive rebound, ano? When you make the stop, you should complete it, ano? By getting the rebound. At hindi nangyayari yun para sa Mobiline.
Oh, steal. Patrick Ran, 2-on-1. Ravenna, quickly the defense is there. Pablo on the low block. Turns around, takes the shot. Tough shot para kay Pablo. Patrick Ran battling for the rebound. Laban si Kurt King and winning out. What a job para kay Patrick Ran.
And he called the timeout. Ibinigay ng ref sa kanya. No, he was in trouble and he was able to call that timeout, which is a smart move.
Here's a guy na very, unsung, hindi masyado napapansin, but Patrick Ran always showing the heart here. And look at that, battling Kurt King, going down, using his head, calling the timeout.
Ayun. That's what you call thinking on your feet.
Oh,
Wala
sa feet.
Thinking on your
knees.
stomach.
Ayan. And saving the day for your team, maybe. They're down by 3 here. And this 20-second timeout is brought to you by Stanley Light. Hindi pa to oras, Jake, para sa 3-point shot with 51 seconds. Obviously, you want to put up some pressure doon sa kalaban mo at this point kung ikaw ang Mobiline.
Oo, marami pang possessions ito eh. Baka mga 3 to 4 possessions pa ito. So you don't need a 3-point shot dito. But if you'll have a clear attempt, then you should take it. But if not, you can go for a 2-pointer.
Si Patrick Ran has had 3 PLDT long-distance shots here today, so that's an option at least for him. They go down low. Carlos Strong. Laban kay Bong Hawkins. Trying to push his way closer, and Hawkins will be whistled for the foul.
Penalty na yan. Kaya balik sa foulan. Ito si Carlos Strong.
Naku naman, walang double team doon, Yeng.
Walang double team. I was expecting a double team. Lalo na kasi Bong Hawkins ang tumatao kay Strong, ano? At hindi dumating. That's why Bong had to foul him.
He has 17 points in the fourth quarter. A total of 36. At dalawa pa lamang ang mintis niya from the line. But these are pressure-packed free throws.
Nako! Sabi mo kasi, pressure pack. Narinig ka yata.
Narinig ako ng bola. And look at Louis Alas.
And we were saying this could be yung kanyang career high if he makes this foul shot at 37 points.
His second, yes. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Shaking his head there. How could I have missed that one? but the lead is down to 2. 38 seconds to go. Hang on to your seats, folks. Abarientos, one-on-one, laban kay Fran. 11 sa kanilang shot clock. Isolated. Johnny turns around. The defense is there. What a shot! What a shot! Woo!
Boy, grabe. Johnny Abarientos.
Johnny Abarientos, the pride of Naga, 1996 MVP, showing why he's probably the best point guard today. Si Johnny Abarientos hindi lamang kilala sa kanyang offensive pero at kilala rin siya sa depensa niya, but in this particular play, parang hinamak niya ang depensa ni Patrick Fran, tinirahan sa ibabaw, and the 1996 MVP has given Alaska a 4-point lead. More comfortable pero hindi pa sigurado yan.
Ayan ang coach's dream, ika nga, no? If you're in a situation like this, you give the ball to Johnny Abarientos and he takes care of everything. Ayun.
Unbelievable shot. Abarientos, who has struggled a little bit dito sa konferensyang ito, averaging 8 points, hindi mataas yan. Pero pag pinag-uusapan mo yung impact ng mga puntos, maaaring madoble yung epekto ni Johnny Abarientos dito sa koponan na to.
Yes, at hindi naman exceptional, ano? Exceptional night for Johnny Abarientos. But you always know you can count on him. You want the ball in his hands in a tight situation.
And you look at the last 3 plays ng Alaska Yang, they've gone to Durembe saving them with a basket, Hawkins with a pair of free throws, and then Johnny Abarientos. Tatlong veterano ni Coach Tim Cone. Rodney Santos has been a top scorer here, but in the end, yung pa rin ang inaasahan ni Tim Cone.
Well, that's why Alaska is Alaska. Sinasabi natin, ano? You have guys like them taking care of the crisis situations, ano?
At kaya naman ang sinasabi sa PBA, kailangan masubukan ka ng Alaska bago ka maging title contender. But this game is not yet over. Just a 4-point lead. Carlos Strong to the basket, missing that one. It rolled out. Iniluwa pa. Pasok na.
Well, that's what I was telling you about. It's about making the stop of this ball game. Ayun, mukhang assured na sila rito. Pero meron pa tayong 12.5 seconds.
Ito nangyari dito, Yeng. Dalawa-dalawa ang tumao. Tatlo pa nga yan. And that changed the shot of Carlos Strong. Just rolled out. And instead of a birdie, it just may be a double bogey here para kupunan ng Mobiline.
Ayun, pasok na kay Johnny. So, parang ano na yan, ano? Insurance basket na.
Fredoy Tengsu, very satisfied at the moment. He sees a 5-point lead and maybe another victory here. As we said, they have not lost back-to-back games in 5 months, and that record might just be preserved tonight. 6-point lead, 12 and a half seconds remaining.
And Alaska will again inch its way into the top 4 standings ulit.
Yes, PLDT long distance, Ablay, tapik. Mapupunta kay Strong with 2 seconds to go. Naagawan pa ni Abarientos, and that'll do it here. A big win for Alaska Milk, bouncing back from that 1-point loss laban sa Ginebra. And Tim Cone climbs to 4-3, matching Mobiline's record, and as you said, climbs back to the top 4 teams, a place that they certainly want to be coming down the stretch.